Hello YouTube! I have a new exciting update for you. So starting in May, there will be a new consistent schedule with my Prevalent Arts YouTube channel. I'll be releasing a video 5 days a week from now on. And the reason we're waiting till May is because it will take time to build the content. So as you can see from the new schedule, there will be a different video type on each day of the week, minus Saturday and Sunday. So on Mondays will be stories and characters. That's where I'll be talking about my own stories and characters, and you can learn more about the premises and the backstories of the different characters. Tuesdays will be software tutorials and 2 videos for Tuesday, because let's face it, tutorial videos is probably the main reason you are here, right? That's what's most popular. And I don't want to say what it is yet, but I will be giving tutorial videos on a new vector designing application that I have not covered yet. It's not Affinity, it's not Amidine, it's not Vector Styler, it's another one that I'm really getting into. But if you've been paying attention, then you may know what that application is. Wednesday will be Art Appreciations. We will talk about a lot of the history of art. There might be a lot of older values, a lot of older styles that I would love to bring back, different aesthetics in motion pictures. So we're going to have a lot of cool discussions when it comes to art. Thursdays will be Gallery and Media. It's where I will be displaying just different arts of mine, but it will also be where I will showcase things such as cinematic videos, animation, and it could be anything that is entertaining and humorous. And it will also be where I will be showcasing some songs now. Prevalent Arts now has its own theme song thanks to a freelancer that I was doing business with. And then Fridays will be Advocating for Choice. So the tagline for Prevalent Arts is everybody has a choice. And so there will be video discussions on things such as building access, thinking with your heart, different people who I believe are very strong, celebrities who I believe make a lot of uncommon decisions and they make decisions that they feel is best for them rather than what the rest of the world expects. So that will be for Advocating for Choice. And then in the home tab of my YouTube channel, you'll see that each day is divided into a different section. I do not have Mondays and Fridays here yet, but when I release new content, this is where they will be uploaded. Different playlists are organized into different sections on my home tab. With that said, stay tuned.